In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring tasks in Notion with templates and automations. If you've ever wished your to-dos could recreate themselves on a schedule, Notion has you covered. We'll walk through two approaches. The first uses Notion's built-in repeat feature with database templates. The second, for paid plans, uses automations to reset a task and push its due date forward when you mark it done. I'll explain each step clearly so you can pick the method that fits your workflow. Let's start with the built-in repeat feature. Begin by creating a database, like a table or calendar. Add a task text property and a date property so your items can show up on a calendar. Open the database's blue New button, click the drop-down arrow, and choose New Template. Give the template a helpful name, like Morning Routine, so it's easy to spot later. Inside the template, set any default properties you want. Add a checkbox for the task, and, if you like, set the date property to today, or a specific date to make filtering easier. When you're done, exit the template editor. Hover over the template, click the three dots, and select Repeat. Pick the timing that fits your needs, every day, week, month, or year, and specify the exact day and time. Click Done, and you're set. From now on, Notion will automatically create those task entries on the schedule you chose. If you use the date property, switch to a calendar view to see them appear right where you expect. Now, for more advanced control using Notion automations on a paid plan. Set up your database with a status select property, a recur interval number, and a recur unit. Select with options like days, weeks, months, and years. Create a new view called Recurring Tasks and filter it so recur interval is greater than or equal to 1. This keeps the automation focused. Next, build an automation targeting that recurring tasks view. Set the trigger to run when status changes to done. Add an action to set status back to something like not started or to do. Then add an action that updates the date using a formula, adding the recur interval to the current date based on the recur unit you selected. Save the automation. Now, whenever you mark a task as done, Notion will reset it and move the due date forward automatically. If you're not on a paid plan, you can still keep things simple with the built-in repeat feature, or add a button to manually trigger recurrence. Try both approaches to see which one best supports your routine.